If Cursor AI is giving you network problems, connection errors, or it just will not load properly, do not worry. In this video, I'll walk you through every fix step by step so you can get Cursor AI working again as quickly as possible. We'll start with the simplest checks first, then move into deeper network troubleshooting on Windows. So if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful software fixes, and let's get straight into it. First, check your internet connection. Look at the network icon in the bottom right corner of Windows and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you are not connected, Cursor AI will not be able to communicate properly. A quick way to confirm your internet is working is to open a web browser and visit a website like the Cursor AI website or any other normal website. If the page loads correctly, that tells you your internet connection is active and the issue is likely inside Cursor or your system settings. Next, restart Cursor AI completely. Close the application fully, not just the window, and then open it again. Sometimes network problems are caused by a temporary glitch, a bad session, or a stuck connection request. Restarting the app refreshes everything and can instantly fix the issue without any extra steps. After reopening Cursor, check whether the network issue is gone. If the problem is still there, run Cursor Network Diagnostics. Open Cursor AI, click the settings icon, go to the network section, and then click Run Diagnostics. Let the test complete and carefully review any errors or warnings that appear. This is important because Cursor may tell you exactly what is broken, whether it is a DNS issue, a blocked connection, or something else on your system. Now let's reset your DNS settings on Windows. This is one of the most effective fixes for network-related problems. Press Windows +R to open the run box, type ncpa.cpl, and press Enter. This opens network connections. Find your active network adapter, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the list, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP IPv4, and then click Properties again. Here, select Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Then click OK to save the changes. This resets the adapter to use automatic network settings, which can help fix connection issues in Cursor AI. After that, flush and renew your network settings. Click the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because these commands need admin access. Now run the following commands one at a time: ipconfig flush dns, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and netwinsock reset. These commands clear old DNS data, refresh your IP address, and reset the Windows network stack. Once they finish, restart your computer so the changes can fully apply. If Cursor AI still has network issues, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Cursor's ability to connect to its services, especially if they route traffic in a way that blocks the app. Turn them off temporarily, then reopen Cursor and test the connection again. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. If you've made it this far, you've now gone through the most important fixes for Cursor AI network problems: the connection check, app restart, diagnostics, DNS reset, network refresh, and VPN or proxy check cover most common causes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you want more Cursor AI troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.